All right, folks, I am back again. Uh, this time I have a demonstration of the Tyco operating crane loader set. Man, just take a look at this little guy here. Man, it's nice. Let's see here. Let's do that right there. Look at this. So it comes with the crane. It comes with a loading truck and some kind of platform. And well, let's just take the stuff out here. Let's see. Okay, so here it is, a Union Pacific gondola. That's what we got there. And here is the truck right here. It's just like it reminds me of a cattle truck, but apparently they use this for these culverts that they have. And these here are the culverts that go in the gondola, and these are night glow culverts here. So this part here is the crane itself, so it assembles this way. Let's take a look at the instructions. So I actually have instructions for it. Let's see here. Let me change cameras. Show you guys what we got. What's this one here? It's this one right here. Let's see here. Let's try to get these instructions in. There you go. So these are the instructions. Real simple. You just slide the track into the adapter. The track adapter goes underneath the crane assembly platform. There's like a little crane that you put in. It's already in there for me. I don't have to mess with it. There's like a special tab that it locks into, and then you just pick up and have fun. Have a good old time picking it up, loading and unloading. So let's go ahead and move that there like so, and let's see here. What would be the best angle to get? Let's do this one. Okay, so we're gonna assemble it this way. And this here there's two holes here, and there's two tabs here, and that just kind of goes underneath like so, and that slides in like so, and then you attach this piece of straight track to the main track, and let's see. Okay, we got that there. Let's move this over here. Slap this in like so, and I believe we're good to go. Now we move our train. Let's see. Let's go forward. We're gonna move our train forward right there, and put our Union Pacific gondola in, and make sure it's on track. It's not. There it is right there. Nope, it's not. Okay, there it is. So let's back up our Illinois Central Gulf. It's there. And let's hook up this caboose to it. Change camera angles, of course. Let's see here. There you go. And let's take off a little bit. Oh, I'm loving it. I am loving it. Okay. So, as you can see, we're just doing one gondola right now, just for the demo, and it's going along just fine. So let's find out what the deal is with this crane here. So this crane does this. Oh, I see. Okay. It does something there. So you just spin this and spin this and spin this. Huh, interesting. Interesting. All right. I'm going to slow down right here, and I'm going to add these. I guess they're supposed to be this way. Does this go up? It kind of does. So let's see. It's got to be in the right angle here. Let's see. Okay, let's see. We're going to do this. There you go. That's a much better view of what's going on, because like I said, I have not played with this, and this is my first time I do this demo. So this must go in like that. Okay, so now we I guess we turn this. There you go, and now it comes over here, takes it over to the, I'm gonna hold it down here, and does it drop it in there? I guess you gotta go back and forth a little bit. Oh, not good. Let's try it again. Okay, let's try it. I'm thinking. Okay, there's that one. And I think what you need to do is place one of these each individually as you go. So then you drop, I guess, the second one down. And then you kind of, oh boy. So what's going on? There's like a little counterweight here. Let's try this again. Try it again. Here we go. It's like oh, there you go. Okay. And you also move the gondola car forward so that you can get the next car in. So let's see here. Let me put this in there like so. And then it goes in like so. And there you go. Okay. I see what's going on now. So then you put the next one in there like so. And it goes and it takes it in there and it drops it in like so. Okay. And once you load them all up, then you take your car around and do the delivery. And you deliver. That's what you do. I'm wondering though, here's what I'm wondering. I'm going to stop short here. I'm going to put these up the way I'm going to put these up standing, bring it into the loader area and see if it'll pick up. I'll see if it'll pick up over here. Let's see. No, it is not designed to unload it. It's only designed to load it. That's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, this is going up, and that's it. That is all. So it is for loading only. There is no unloading in this thing at all. Let's see. What if I did this? What if I did this? What if I did this? Do that. What if I brought this back? Right? And let's see here. It's gotta pick these up. I mean, it's showing. No, it's not showing them. Yeah, there is a picture of it loading all of them. So, okay. I'm thinking this here, you gotta finesse it. You gotta finesse it. So here we go. We're picking up the culvert. It's coming, right? And then you gotta dump it real quick. Dump it real quick. There you go. And now you go back, but you go back slowly. Come up. You go back slowly. Yes, sir. Now I'm getting it. Okay. I'm gonna change camera angles because, man, I'm excited about this thing here. So, okay, so then you go up, you pick up another one, and then you bring it in. There you go. Right? And then you go back. And then you slowly, oh, you gotta do it just right. No, you gotta bring it. Oh, see, you're gonna tip it over if you do that. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Man. There you go. Okay, I'm over it. And now you move your train. Pull around. Just move that back. All right. Okay. Now bring the other one in. It goes in like so. And then go back. See there. Here's a part where you gotta really get your skill in. You gotta get that skill there. There you go. Yeah, see how that kind of. That's not the way it's supposed to be. That's not the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, no. Well, like I said, they designed this to have fun, but a little bit of engineering here kind of falls short. Let's put this back up. And go all the way back down. Here it is. That's it, right there. And then unload it. There we go. There we go. We bring it back. Everybody's happy. The train is loaded. And we are going to take off. And we are gone. We are gone. Okay. All right. Tyco operating crane loader set with the night glow culverts. Excellent. Yeah. I guess somewhere in this thing, the truck comes in and somehow it comes over here and unloads it somehow. That's what I'm thinking. That's what's going on there. All right. There she comes. There she goes. Yes, sirree. Look at that. Beautiful. I love these type of trains. All right. We're going to bring it around and stop it once more at the loading dock. Okay. All right. Well, that's it for this demonstration here of what we got. Thank you once again for hanging in there with me. I don't know if anybody has one of these, but if you do, leave a comment and maybe give me a tip on how to load this up a little bit better. I don't know if it's something that's not, maybe it needs a little bit more counterweight or something to get the thing across, but it does kind of work, and that's okay with me. I got the stuff on the gondola, and that was what we needed to do. That was the job. The job was to get that stuff on the train and have the train take it to its delivery address. So thank you so much again. I really appreciate you guys subscribing. We do have over 3,000 now, almost 3,050, and we will see you on the next video. I got one more demo today, so I think I get a total of 4. I think I'll be doing 4 today. These type of loading, unloading accessories that Tyco had. back in the 70s, because this is 70s and 80s stuff. So, okay. Have a good one. Bye for now.